Hey everyone, this is That's Toys and Things, and this is the McFarlane Collector's Edition, Superman and Crypto. Now, I haven't really seen a lot of crypto out there when it comes to action figures, uh, more so with Superman himself. This might be the first, but I may be wrong. So if you know any other action figure of Superman and Crypto, just put it in the comment section and let me know. Now, Crypto was actually, I don't know if you guys know this, but Crypto was actually a test subject by Jarrell when it's in the same pod that Superman was about to go in. The Jarrell actually sent Crypto first, but the rocket, from what I remember, it was lost, and it took longer for the rocket to actually reach Earth. So Superman came in first, and then he was already a teenager when he saw Crypto. And that's the life story of Crypto. Now, this particular action figure, if I look at this, so Superman is already grown up, and this here right here, this is from the Doomsday series. As you can see here, right there. He never really grew his hair like that until Doomsday kind of killed him, and then he came back, and then when he came back, his hair is already long. Here, as you can see, this is an amazing artwork. Look at that. This is the original from the comics when it comes to how Doomsday really look. And I have yet to see an action figure of Doomsday that actually look like this. A lot of the Doomsday, they really look different, and I don't like them. Anyway, let's take a look at this one. Something is preventing me from opening. Something is preventing me from opening this thing. I wonder what. Let's see. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it from the bottom. So I want to go up from the top, so I am pulling it from the bottom. There you go. The action figure comes with this. I think this is a Superman tombstone. And of course, you have the card and you have this stand right here. This is really nice. This artwork is really nice. This was never in the comics. So yeah, it's really good. I like it. Now, let's get rid of this thing. Let's go to the action figure itself. You have Superman right here. You have an extra set of hands. And of course, you have Crypto right here. And let's start with the man himself, Superman. The sculpt here is really good. See if I can put some more light in it. Yeah, it's not bad at all. You got the usual articulation, left to right. There's no, you can't look up. A common problem with the McFarlane figures. I did have another video where I showed how you're able to modify this thing so it can look up, but I don't think you're gonna be able to do this with this particular figure because of this thick hair right here. And if you look at the arms right here, the shoulder, you got the shoulder articulation. That's nice. And elbow, you got an elbow. This is not double jointed. It's a single joint, and then the arms, you can just move it around like that. This is the extra set of hands, so you just put it in here. You got some extra movement from the chest right here, you can see right there, and there's no movement on the torso itself, just this chest, but you really can't do much. You can do it, but I don't know. So his body can turn 360 degrees like that. Kind of creepy, but that's what it is. And on the legs, you can go as far as like this, and then front. The knees are double jointed. That's nice at least. It's double jointed, and the feet right here, you can move. There's a little bit side to side movement, and I think you can move it up and down. Yeah, you can move it up and down. You can feel that there's a ratchet somewhere in here, and then the toes, you can toe up like that, and then straight. So the regular articulation with the McFarlane Toys, but this is not the real reason why I actually bought this. The real reason why I bought this is, let's see if you can stand by your own. That's not easy. It's back heavy. It's back heavy because of this. So it's not easy to stand. Let's see if I can get you in one of these pegs. And then even with the stand, it's not an easy task to get him up like that. Well, that's what it is. So there you go. There's Superman. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. This cape right here, I don't like the way that they did this. I prefer that this is something like, things like that, or at least a cloth. Make it a cloth. That'll do better. That would have been better. So as you can see, there's a little struggle here to get him standing. There you go. And I don't think he's gonna stand for long. I don't think he's gonna stand for long. It's back heavy. So not a big fan of this figure. However, I do like Krypto. And this is what I'm saying. Look what they did with Krypto. Plot. They could have done the same with Superman. There you go. With Krypto, there is no articulation on the head. They should have made something here. It's like, I don't know. It's like they got this from a dollar store. One of those dogs from a dollar store, and then made a cast, and then just did it. I don't know. McFarlane, McFarlane, you're good and you're not good. At this point in time, I would have expected more from you guys. I mean, if you're gonna make a Krypto, at least get some articulation for. I don't know. Look, there's no articulation here, no articulation here, no articulation, no nothing. So basically, he just stands up here, right beside Superman, and he can't do anything. Even this old, I don't know how old is this. Yep, a little bit of articulation, a little bit of a head movement would be so nice. Yeah, I don't know, McFarlane. It's a love and hate relationship with this toy maker. Sometimes they come up with a good one, and there are times that they just didn't hit it, like this one. I don't know what this is made of. But yeah, I like that it is Krypto. So, and we don't have anything else. He can't fly. This one can fly. Like that. See that? This Krypto can fly, right? And then he can look at you while he's flying. See? Krypto. This one does nothing. I mean the scope is good. It is a dog. That's nice. I like this. It should have been, this should have been there. Or this should have been like this. It's nice. But no articulation, no nothing. Well, another McFarlane toy. And what can I say? Not a big fan of this one. I don't know. I mean, at the start of the video, I told you guys when Crypto reached Earth, Clark was already a teenager. So it would have been best if they paired Crypto with a teenager looking like Clark Kent. And then, of course, they should have added a little bit more articulation than just giving us this statue. Anyway, there you go. And like I said, this thing is a mess. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I mean, even the color. Even the color, his color here. It's not the Superman color. At least the blue. How the blue looks like. Although I like the chiseled look for the body, but look at this. Look at this. Chisel, right? Look at that. Look at even the back, but yeah. Anyway, again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click that like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when a new video is out. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.